So let's look at what we'll be learning. We'll be learning the secrets behind what goes on in the business that really generates some supernormal profits and some amazing turnover and the difference out in the world. More importantly, it's all about contribution. It's all about the vision. It's all about how you really want to make a difference out to the world. And balancings are actually ancillary. Let's look at how we will be learning this. So there are 4 stages over here. The first stage is unconscious incompetence. What is that? Unconscious incompetence is that stage wherein we don't even know that we don't even know. Now, I can ask you over here, name some languages that you know of. And you would say Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, depending on which part of the world you are in. Now, you know those languages and you know that you know these languages. There are some languages that you don't know. And what are those? Those could be German, French, Spanish, maybe some other languages, Taiwanese or Korean. And you know that you don't know these languages. But if I were to ask you, name a few languages which you don't know, that you don't even know. Because there are thousands and thousands of languages in the world, right? Can you name one? I'm sure you would say, what a stupid question. Yeah, it's a ridiculous question because you cannot name a brand that you do not know. You cannot name a language that you do not know. And you do not know that you do not know. That's unconscious incompetence. So how we all start to learn in our life is at the basic level of unconscious incompetence. Fundamentally, there are things which are there out in the world, but we do not know them. And we don't even know that we don't even know. Now, what's the risk over here? The risk is that if you do not even know that you don't even know that, how can you ever improve? Like if you know that you are not knowing German, then you can learn German. If I were to say, just give you an example, I was the vice president marketing for Go Airlines. I knew how to get the customers to occupy the seats, but I did not know till date how to fly a plane. I'm not a pilot. At the same time, if now I know that I do not know how to fly a plane, and I want to know and I want to learn that, what can I do? I can actually take admission in a flying school and learn how to fly a plane. That's exactly how people learn in life. Like if you know that you do not know and you want to learn that, you can take classes, you can work with someone, you can join a school and learn that. But what if you do not even know that you do not even know? That's the start of your journey. So in this entire curriculum, we'll be actually opening up several new things, several new concepts, which will actually make you alive, make you aware of things which you got to know that you weren't even aware of. Excited? Let's roll.